What's up everyone? I'm Dr. Lundy from legitblueprint.com. Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. And today I will be discussing social media auto commenting software. I will talk about the automation software tool used for bulk commenting, the perfect way to get your videos banned if you use this, and why you should not use these bots. So let's look at what it looks like and how you can spot them. If you go into Google and you see type bots auto commenting, and you will see this. There's Tom, there's Call. They also have Todd and Tim now again. So make sure that you don't comment on these. I came across an interesting thing going onto YouTube, and I get lots of comments and questions on YouTube, and I've noticed something weird when looking at this. I'm Dr. Lundy from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Ring the bell not to miss my next video. So let's look at these bots. How do they work? Should you use them? No, definitely no. They can harm your channel. So let's look at what they do. This software searches for channels and automatically posts comments based on keyword search, or automatically subscribes and leave a standard reply based on keyword search. Using this type of software is definitely not good, as this will be seen as spamming other people. I'm in the make money online niche, and if I put this keyword in, they will go to every channel with make money online as a keyword, and they will search and they will subscribe, leave standard comments. This software really doesn't give any value to you. Even if they subscribe to any other channel, you will never subscribe back to that channel. This is also against the YouTube rules. YouTube doesn't allow anything that artificially increases the number of views, likes, comments, or any other metrics, either through the use of automatic systems or by serving up videos to unsuspecting viewers. Additionally, content that solely exists to incentivize viewers for engagement, views, like, and comments is prohibited by YouTube. Shortcuts never works. So when you look at your channel and you don't want your channel to be banned by YouTube, let's do the following. Build videos around single keyword topics and make sure that they will rank. We will engage our audience and we will get branded, and make sure YouTube sees us. Promote your YouTube videos on other social channels, post great thumbnails, and leverage YouTube cards. And this is the way that we can build a sustainable business without having our YouTube channel closed. Let's look in the future. Work hard, give value, and you find your audience will trust you. Here is a few replies from people who's talking about these bots and also what they think about it, because this is really bad for us on YouTube. I'm just showing you in short how does this look in your channel, because mostly what you see is Wanna Be Friends by Logan or Wanna Be Friends by any of the other bots. There's a new bot, Bananarama, but they changed their name permanently, and they also type Wanna Be Friends. This is all the channels that they targeted. Now here you can see Tom answered 3 different ones with different wording, so you can search for them by typing this in Google, Tom the bot. So if you look at his channel, he's got a lot of subscribers, 4 to 7K subscribers, but once you go in the channel, I think there's like 4 videos. Here we have Logan also commenting, loved it 2 weeks ago. Now with these bots, don't like, subscribe or do anything to them, just report them. And if you report them as unwanted or spam, Google will send you a message to say thank you, they did find it. In summary, be careful. This is not genuine human beings. There's zero engagement, no relationship building like with your real or human audience. There's large following but zero engagements. Doesn't it seem fishy? People report you for spamming them if you use these bots, or you can report them if you find too many on your channel. Will be banned at some point. Tom was out, now I see he's back again, followed by spam counts, get your account to be banned by YouTube. So this goes against all the terms and conditions of YouTube. Now that you know about auto-comment bots, don't use them. Rather, build an honest, legal YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Lundy from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. For more detailed information about what I said in this video, I left some links below the video, so please check them out and familiarize yourself with what these things can do to your channel. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, ring the bell not to miss my forthcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something from me today. Hope to see you again next time on the other side of the screen.